welcome back to the bike garage. Today, although I have already done this once, but I wasn't happy with the results, so I'm going to do it again. We're going to do these carbs and do them right, because I didn't do them right. So we're going to do these if the fuel ever stops pouring out. You done? No, not quite done. Alright, we'll make it done in a minute. So the reason why I say properly is because this time I have bought this, an ultrasonic cleaner, a big ultrasonic cleaner as well, and we're going to put it through there just to make sure it properly cleans it. So obviously I have done this at least once before, and on cam, but like I said, I wasn't quite happy with the results, so we're just going to do it again and do it properly, like I said. So let's get on with that. So as you can now see, everything's all quite nice and clean. See if it'll focus in on that. There you go. Everything's all nice and clean now. In fact, really clean, so I'm really impressed with the cleaner. Even obviously the little bits come out fairly good as well. Emulsion tubes there, look. So what I need to do now is just put it all back together. I have got some nice little boxes now where all my little bits and pieces are. So we will go ahead and put it all back together. Although I've just realised that there's something missing. So I don't know where that is. So I'll find that now.
I wake up every minute with a fever dreams. I push a mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss. See, I got my mind on the facts. I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. Choke until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see, matter of fact. Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind, you know I'll always manifest it.
Okay, so that's now one fully put together, I think. I can't see any parts that are missing anyway, so that's a good sign. I have done the float. Probably see me doing that with the calipers, which is, according to what I read, 22mm from the gasket face to the top of the float, which again on the pictures to what I seen. So if that's sat like that, there you go. So if that's sat like that, then this bit here would be the top of the float. So that's what I did. So hopefully that's right. So now I'll just move on to the next two, 3 even. So I'll wash them together, and then we'll have 3. So I'll come back when I've done all them 3. Alright, I just realised the camera wasn't rolling, yabbering away as I do, and then realised that the camera wasn't rolling at all. You haven't missed much. Basically, they're obviously all back together now, and I've just put the brackets on and put all this lot together, all the inlet pipes and breathers and whatever else is in there. There are some gaps in some of these. That can be changed, right? How do we change that? Do we undo these? Just a way of doing it. So we'll undo it. Just appears like the little flat bits that are in here. Flat bits, flap bits that are in here aren't actually touching. So do I have to undo these to do that? Or am I just not doing anything? Are you meant to see gap through it? Sure, you're meant to see a little bit of a gap, aren't you? You'll see a little bit of a gap. Okay. I'm guessing we've then got to do the same with the others. I say the others, the other one. Only one other on here, although that one there obviously needs a bit of a gap. Oh, is that what the drill bit thing was for? Maybe. That would make sense, wouldn't it? Or would it? No, probably not. Anyway, we'll try and make these have some gaps, I guess. To anyone that's new that's watching this, I don't actually know what I'm doing. I'm just winging it. Stuff that I've read or whatever. Right, so that's not got a gap. That's got a gap. And I guess those two do as well. changes how quickly they open as well. Only I thought they should really open all at the same time. I do notice there's a hell of a gap in that one now. So, is there anything else to do after I've done this? Other than putting it back on the bike? I don't think there is. Oh, yeah, choke. Choke. So put the choke in as well. Now remember where that bit went. This bit must have attached itself somewhere, so if that was like that, that was here somewhere, wasn't it? So it must be on that one. Yeah, that's what we'll go with. They go through those holes, don't they? Yeah. So are they inside or outside? Are they like that? Yeah. And I'm guessing there's a specific way that this goes on as well. That one on that way? Yeah. And there's the little divots where the little hole things bit goes as well. Like that. And then we'll put these little bits in here. And we can do them up. And hopefully all this is on round the right way. Obviously, find out when we put the choke cable on eventually. Oh, nuts. Nuts. Still recording audio? Yeah. That seems to be my thing. Sometimes I don't turn the microphone on. I might have done it in the last one, or the last scene, or whatever you want to call it, scene before this one. Maybe when I was taking it apart, I think. Can't remember when I did it now. But I've already done it, so the chances are there's already a voice over there, so you already know what it is. Of course that one's different. I'll use this one. Right. Now are we set? Is there anything? Yeah. Alright, that should have a spring on it. There's a spring here. bit, so we'll take this bit back off and put the sprig back on. And then I have used all the bits, apart from a couple of O-rings, washers, whatever you want to call them. Not that it really matters, because half the other stuff didn't have washers and stuff on it anyway, so I wasn't really bothered about putting it back. I missed. Try this a slightly different way. I'm sure this is how they do it in the factory with really small tools. Right. Let's move over to the bike. Let's move over to the bike, and then we'll put this back on the bike, load some fuel in, put the battery back on, see what happens. Everything's connected that's meant to be connected. Stuff moved away that's not meant to be there. Oh, hello. Hello indeed. There we go. She runs ish. She runs ish, which is good. That'll do for now. Hopefully that's just a lot of condensation. So I have got some air filters to put on tomorrow. chances are right now is what's happening is that there's too much air going in, maybe like because of pressure and stuff. But we'll go with that. Yeah, I don't know what to say after that. Finally runs, eh? Got no fuel coming out anywhere, which is good news. Yeah, so we'll put some air filters on tomorrow. See if that makes it any better.